Looking at Bollywood movies where how they show the life of an engineer and really living into it was totally different but somewhat relatable. Hi, my name is Basavraj. I come from Bidar district. I'm working as a software engineer in CGI. Currently working as a software engineer for past 2 years. I've been working on most of the basic tools that a data analyst should have as skills. So I had these basic skills but not really had that environment to work on. So made me realize that I need to upskill myself. I work in a Canadian shift which is from 2:30 to 11:30. So ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ 1 week ನನಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು because of some personal work. And Geetika told, okay, it's totally fine, you'll be having recordings, no need to worry about that. Makes me to attend the classes later day, watch them, take my time and attend the quizzes and the assignments. Their curriculum, their syllabus, where a professional as well as a beginner can go with the same pace. I knew about Newton School, what Newton School was. It was providing opportunities to the freshers as well as the professionals to upskill themselves. I knew that Newton School is the best platform to get into.